Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin gained 0.8% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 1.8% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Chevron Corp received a US license allowing the second-largest US oil company to expand its production in Venezuela and bring the South American country's crude oil to the United States. In cities across Europe, officials are wrestling with a choice as energy prices have gone up because of Russia's war in Ukraine. Dim Christmas lighting to send a message of energy conservation, or let the lights blaze in a message of defiance after 2 years of pandemic-suppressed Christmas seasons. The Australian dollar/US dollar weekly forecast is bullish as dollar weakness is set to continue amid optimism for a Fed pivot while eyeing key US data this week.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The Irish retail sales will be released at 1100 hours GMT. Finland's consumer confidence at 0600 hours GMT. The UK CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT. Australia's retail sales will be released at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index at 1530 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 1630 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.